Everyone's got their own dreams. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you are gonna get in our way, then fuck off. If there are devils I could be friends with, then yeah, I do, 'cause I don't have any friends. Maybe I became a devil hunter for a really shallow reason, but I'm willing to die to keep living like this. I'm gonna take stuff just as seriously as you. So you can count on my big time. If dreams do come true, I wanna hug a girl before I die. At least let me dream a little. Whenever I've got free time, I end up thinking about her. I felt up and kissed other people, but my heart belongs to her alone. There's no way I'll fall for anyone else. When I can't sleep, I start thinking about money, and then it's even harder to sleep. If you're gonna kill me, just do it. I'm dead either way. I want you to live a normal life and die a normal death. Make my dreams come true for me. I'm gonna take stuff just as seriously as you. So you can count on me big time. I'll save you, so you save me. I don't wanna die either. If I rip you apart, then that makes your dream worth less than touching boobs. Maybe I became a devil hunter for a really shallow reason, but I'm willing to die to keep living like this. Did I lose my humanity when I lost my heart? Of all the women I know, every single one of them tried to kill me. Everyone I worked with who became devil hunter for the paycheck all got killed by devils. The only ones still alive have a root in their conviction. If I can kill the guy I want to kill, then I don't care what happens next. Both the new hunters I think are strong, and the ones I don't end up either dead or moving to the civilian sector. Enemies are enemies, we're only using them. I have no intention of getting friendly with one. The one who killed my family and the one who killed my buddy are still alive. So what would I be quitting for?
I can't believe you took my story for truth. Humans really are foolish. This deceiver told me to do it. Devils can't lie. Only humans lie. I hate humans. Not because they did anything to me. It's like a devil instinct. I just do. Only answer with yes or woof. I don't need a dog who says no. I like humans. In the same way that humans are so fond of dogs. They're loyal, easily handled, clever and stupid. Just watching them is fun. And also, they love me. I can tell who's possessed with a look at their face. All devils are born with a name. The more that name is feared, the more powerful the devil itself. Naughty things feel better the more you know your partner. We'll be working together until death do us apart. The necessary evil you speak of is just an excuse to justify the evil things you do. Society has no need for that excuse. The nation regularly takes necessary evils and keeps them on a short leash.